Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Woke AF Black is probably one of the most talked about pre-workouts on the market, and for good reason, as it promises an intense energy boost, laser-like focus, and powerful pumps to help you crush your workouts like never before, making it a top contender for anyone looking to elevate their training sessions and push past their limits with a scientifically formulated blend designed for maximum performance. Number 5. Cellucor C4 Sport Blue Raspberry. Elevate your workout with this powerful pre-workout formula. It's designed to boost your energy and enhance performance. Experience a surge of energy with a balanced blend of caffeine and beta-alanine. This formula is crafted to help you push your limits. Train with confidence knowing this product is NSF certified for sport. It meets rigorous standards for safety and quality. Enjoy the delicious and refreshing blue raspberry taste. It makes fueling your body a treat. Each container provides 30 servings, ensuring you have enough fuel for numerous training sessions. Get ready to achieve your fitness goals. What we like. This option is NSF certified for sport, ensuring purity and safety. It offers a classic blue raspberry flavor for a refreshing taste. If you are looking for a reliable pre-workout with a balanced energy blend and trusted certification, this is a solid choice for your training sessions. What people say. This pre worked well for him and jacked him up without making him too crazy. He sweats a lot, so it's great that this one also has electrolytes. I love this blue raspberry flavor. Dissolves easily, and it was a great value for this as it is an average size container. Seems to be good quality and doesn't cause stomach upset during long or intense workouts. The C4 Sport pre-workout in blue raspberry gives a decent energy boost, but I was expecting more from such a well-known brand. It does help with endurance and focus, thanks to the caffeine and beta-alanine, but the taste is pretty dull. It's still effective and NSF certified, which is a plus, but I wish the flavor had more kick. This product always gets me ready for my car ride, which is about 10 minutes long. This is one of my favorite flavors out of the 4, and compared to other pre-workouts I've tried, it is so much better. It actually tastes like the flavor says and doesn't have wacky flavors to add onto it. It dissolves rather quickly, and I don't really need to shake up my water. The ingredients are great, too. There's only like 5 calories and a really small amount of sugars, and with the amount of caffeine in this, I don't need coffee for the rest of the day, but even with taking all that caffeine it's still really easy to focus. Number 4. C4 Ripped Sport Pre-Workout Powder Fruit Punch. Get ready to elevate your workout. This powerful blend is designed to help you push your limits and achieve your fitness goals. Train with confidence. It's NSF certified for sport, ensuring it meets rigorous standards for safety and purity. Enjoy a delicious fruit punch flavor without the sugar. Experience a clean energy boost to power through your toughest sessions. Support your weight loss journey. This formula includes ingredients to help boost your metabolism and enhance fat burning. With 135 milligrams of caffeine, it provides the energy you need for peak performance. It's perfect for both men and women. Each container provides 30 servings, giving you a full month of enhanced workouts. Get ready to feel the difference. What we like. This one is designed with weight loss in mind and contains 0 sugar. It comes in a popular fruit punch flavor. If you are aiming to shed some pounds while still getting a pre-workout boost, or if you prefer a sugar-free option, this product is tailored for your needs. What people say. I can also see myself mixing this in my electrolytes or other drinks and can tell it would be good. All heavier weights instantly felt light, and I was able to blast through workouts to the point I actually began to see some vascularity with my muscle development. It gives the perfect amount of energy, tastes good, dissolves quickly, like actually dissolves, and is the only pre-workout I have taken in over a year that I actually see results in fast. Number 3. ProSupps Mr. Hyde Signature Pre-Workout. Are you ready to elevate your workout? This is the ultimate pre-workout designed to help you push your limits and achieve your fitness goals. Experience long-lasting energy and enhanced mental focus throughout your entire training session. It's formulated to keep you going strong from start to finish. Achieve incredible muscle pumps that will make your hard work visible. Feel the difference as your muscles become fuller and more defined. Packed with essential ingredients like creatine, beta-alanine, T-crine, and caffeine. These components work together to optimize your performance. This versatile pre-workout is suitable for both men and women. It's designed to support anyone looking to enhance their physical capabilities. Enjoy the refreshing and delicious blue res flavor with every serving. It makes fueling your body a treat. What we like. It provides sustained energy and sharp focus, with the added benefit of creatine. This blend is formulated for those who need to power through intense workouts. If you are looking for a comprehensive formula that supports both energy and muscle building, this could be your go-to. What people say. You can feel the energy and focus pretty quickly after taking it. The blue res flavor tastes good, not too sweet, and it's easy to drink. It mixes well and doesn't leave clumps. The effect kicks in fast and helps me perform better during workouts. I didn't experience any crash or stomach issues, which is a big plus. It feels strong but still controlled. This is a high-stimulant pre-workout, and it absolutely delivers an explosive rush of energy and laser-like focus that transforms my gym sessions. The moment it kicks in, I feel ready to tackle my heaviest lifts and push past my normal limits. What sets this one apart for me is the sustained energy. Unlike other pre-workouts that hit you hard and then make you crash, Mr. Hyde gives me a consistent, clean drive throughout my entire workout, and I feel great afterward. The pump is fantastic, and my endurance has seen a noticeable improvement. The taste is also great, and it mixes easily without any clumping. Plus you get an extra boost of creatine. It doesn't make me itch like other brands tend to do due to the beta-alanine. All in all, it's a good reliable product. Number 2. Legion Pulse Pre-Workout Supplement. Are you ready to elevate your workout? Experience a new level of energy and focus with our all-natural pre-workout. Fuel your body with ingredients designed to enhance performance. It's crafted with natural sweeteners for a clean and effective boost. Achieve your goals without the creatine. This formula focuses on other powerful ingredients to support your training. Featuring beta-alanine and citrulline, it's designed to help you push harder. Alpha GPC is also included to support cognitive function. Enjoy the refreshing taste of fruit punch. It's naturally sweetened, making your pre-workout ritual a pleasure. Support your body's natural nitric oxide production. This helps improve blood flow and endurance during your most intense sessions. What we like. This supplement stands out with its all-natural ingredients and is completely creatine-free. It's also naturally sweetened for a cleaner experience. If you prefer a pre-workout without artificial additives or creatine, and are looking for a naturally flavored option, this is an excellent selection. What people say. It's a tart fruity flavor, but it's fantastic. Heck, my previous pre was Cellucor C4 watermelon, and this beats that out even with all the synthetic malarkey. It wasn't a dirty, jittery energy. It was a clean sensation that wakes you up and gets you ready to tackle any workout you have set. I can't quite explain it any other way than it just gives you an unparalleled mental clarity and focus. The best part. There's no bull with this pre-workout, read the label. It lists every ingredient, and exactly how much of it is in there. Many pre-workouts try to hide behind a proprietary blend. Mike is setting a new precedent for supplements by giving it to you straight. Number 1. Jacked Factory NITROSURGE Pre-Workout. Are you ready to elevate your workout? Experience a surge of energy and focus like never before. Feel the power as you achieve instant strength gains. Push your limits and break through plateaus. Maintain laser-like focus throughout your entire session. Stay in the zone and maximize every rep. Achieve those satisfying, intense muscle pumps. Feel the blood rush and see the results. This advanced formula includes a powerful NO booster. Enhance your performance and endurance. Enjoy the refreshing cherry limeade taste. It's the perfect pre-workout companion. What we like. Experience instant strength gains and maintain clear focus throughout your workout. It's also engineered to deliver intense pumps. If you are seeking immediate performance enhancement and a powerful mind-muscle connection, this product is designed to help you achieve those goals. What people say. The energy hits clean without the crash and the pumps are noticeable. Flavor is actually enjoyable too, not chalky like some others. This gives me that extra push to get moving and stay focused once I'm there. The energy hits clean without the crash and the pumps are noticeable. It give you energy without that crazy itchy feeling and no major crash afterwards. I mix 2 scoops with 10 ounces of water and drink 5 ounces before weights and then 5 ounces before cardio, and it give me a perfect amount of motivation to do 40 minutes of weights and 30 minutes of cardio. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.